No, seriously. Hi, guys. So it's Lisanati. This is my cover to my Erin Condren Vertical Colorful 2018-2019 planner. So I'm just showing you guys the kit that I'm using. It's from Sticker Bloom, the summer vacation kit, as you see at the top of each page. But yeah, so I wanted to let you guys know a little bit about this shop. I'm not a PR for them by any means or whatever, but just want to let you know about the products that I'm using. So this kit has a very I'm actually feeling on one kit now. It's so smooth and buttery. Like seriously. I think that this is like some type of vinyl paper, but it is so smooth. Like it's so smooth. I don't see any sort of color skipping, nothing. Even the kit that I'm actually feeling in real life right now has some black elements, and the black is so opaque. Like the colors themselves are so saturated. It's really good. Um, Now these kits are on vinyl paper. If I'm not mistaken, it feels like it's vinyl paper, so it is hard to reposition. So just be careful about that. If you all do, pick these kits up, but they always have good sales. And when I say good sales, I mean like literally amazing sales. 55 percent off, 60% off. Like I bought this kit when it was 55% off. Then I placed a huge order when it was 60% off. She has 55% off again right now. So she is always having sales. So definitely go check them out. But enough of that. Let me tell you guys about myself, because I'm pretty sure you're like, who is this? Who is this? Like, who are you? So, I am Lisanati. I'm the owner of Nati Prints, which is a sticker shop. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So, I'm really excited, you guys. So, my sticker shop is going to have, the normal full kits, mini kits, and, certain a la carte sheets to add on to. But I'm not going to break down my kits to where it's like, okay, I only want the full boxes, or I only want the functional sheet. I'm not doing that. But like a la carte as far as, like fashion girls, pretty much. And the glitter sheets. So those are really the two things that will come a la carte as far as for now. Also, I'm going to have hand-drawn section, which would include hand-drawn icons and hand-lettered, um, just any type of word or phrase. And those two things, the icons and the hand-lettered anything, will have the option to be foiled, which is I'm so excited. Like I've been playing with my all of the things that I need to do to foil, and I'm so excited. I even put a Power Season 5 sticker down because I'm so excited for Power to come on this next Sunday, because today is Sunday while I'm recording. But yeah, so I'm really excited. I'm also thinking about including foil in my kits, but for now I'm going to keep my kits just, on the matte paper, and I'm going to have a lot of foil goodies that will be available for you guys. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so for my planning style, I basically put down all the full boxes for the most part. I have two planners. So I have a business and budget planner, and I also have my personal planner, which will include, like my day-to-day work as far as the Army, because I'm in the Army, active duty. So the day-to-day things as far as Army goes, and school, and things I need to do for like around the house, just like I said, personal things. And then I have my business slash budget planner, which is going to clearly have my budget in it, and everything that I need for my business. So and I have several businesses, so it's not just for this planner sticker business. I'll have like my scheduling, all the schedules that I need to keep up with things like that. So really excited. So about my planning style. For my sidebar, almost always I have 2 habit trackers, at least for my personal planner. I'll have 2 habit trackers, and then I'll have like a weekly, which might consist of just it'll vary all the time. So if I have working out on my habit tracker, then the weekly tracker. If y'all hear that, that's my husband being so dramatic. He's playing PUBG right now, and he has Noelle, which is my daughter. So yeah, please excuse him. But yeah, so my sidebar will probably have 2 habit trackers, a weekly tracker, and then like a to-do list. Actually, let me see what my planner has in now. Yeah, yep, a weekly and a to-do list. So like the to-do list will be like my master to-do list, and this week it'll vary. It could be my it could be my dinners, it could be grateful thoughts, it could be my workouts. It really just depends on the really like the kind of week that I'm having, or the day that I'm having or whatever, because really it'll start on Monday to determine what I want to do. But I normally lay down the dinner little things, so I'm trying to do that instead of having my dinners on the this week, because it's not like I'm meal prepping or anything. So yeah, and then the to-do list, like I said, will be a master to-do list. Nothing that I want to get done specifically on a certain day, just by the end of the week. So I pretty much, when I look at my planner, I also, you guys can see the finished spread on my Instagram at Nati Prints, of course. But yeah, so I'm just going to, from here, lay down my headers, and I don't know if I put it on the right place right here. This next header, let's see, where did I put it? Yeah, see right there? I'm going to end up moving that header. Oh, okay, cool. I did it right there. Cool, okay, smart girl, smart girl. So I just put the headers on Monday through Friday, because on the weekends I don't want to be so structured on the weekends, So I just, let it I go with the flow. Oh my goodness. I just go with the flow. So I'm going to put down the glitter headers. And yeah, I'm only going to put down the glitter headers for the top of the first section, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to put down, as you see, the ombre heart checklist. And I'm going to put the glitter headers, the rest of them, on off camera. So if you guys want to see how it looks with the finished spread, like I said, just tune in to my Instagram for the midweek and, the full spread and everything like that. I am definitely going to be on it. Here's one thing that I like is that background for the weekend banner, the strip that it has. And the weekend banner itself was kind of fragile, only because where the E's are and where the end is, it's like a little slither. Like, you see, it broke one place, and then I'm like, okay, I could put this down and, fix it. So I put that part down, and then as I'm trying to get it off of my finger, I broke the other part. So that's one thing. It's like the weekend banner itself just might be something. So just be sure you're ready to place it down all at once, and you should be fine. So I'm just putting down the deco, and I just try to use as much as I could and not cut off a whole sticker basically. And I didn't want to cover up the date covers. So yeah, so that's really it. I put down the rest of the glitter headers off camera and cut the deco off camera. So this is what the spread looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Join Nati Nation, okay? And check out my Instagram for the half week or midweek and full week spreads. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.